From its humble beginnings in a small garage to becoming a global construction giant, JCB's journey is one of the most inspiring ones in the business world. With operations in more than 150 countries and thousands of machines built every day, JCB is one of the largest manufacturers of construction equipment. But how did a small British business become a billion-dollar company? In this video, we'll be answering this exact question and any others you might have about JCB, so make sure you stick around till the end. The story begins in 1945, just after the end of the Second World War. Britain was in the middle of reconstruction, and the need for efficient construction solutions gave Joseph Cyril Bamford, popularly known as Mr. JCB, the idea to start a construction equipment business. Joseph was born into a family with a background in engineering and agricultural machinery. His father, Henry Bamford, was the owner of a successful agricultural machinery business, and Joseph grew up observing the mechanics and challenges of machinery manufacturing. He grew up to be an engineer and entrepreneur and started the company, JCB, in a small garage in Uttoxeter, Staffordshire. His vision was not just about building machines. It was about creating tools that improved the way people worked and made tasks easier and more efficient. Joseph's first creation was a simple but ingenious solution. He built a tipping trailer from scrap metal salvaged from wartime equipment. While many might have seen the remnants of the war as useless, Joseph saw them as an opportunity. His design was practical, economical, efficient, and innovative. On the 23rd of October, 1945, which was the day Joseph's son, Anthony, was born, he sold this tipping trailer for £45, which is the same as £2,000 today. This sale marked the beginning of JCB, not just as a business, but as a legacy. Building on this success, Mr. JCB quickly recognized the potential of hydraulic technology. In 1948, he introduced the JCB hydraulic tipping trailer, which was a groundbreaking product at the time. While competitors still relied on manual labor for loading and unloading, Joseph's invention used hydraulics, making the job faster and far more efficient. This innovation did not just improve productivity, it reshaped expectations in the construction equipment industry. It wasn't just about building machines, it was about solving problems and revolutionizing the way work was done. During these early years, Mr. JCB laid the foundation of JCB's success by focusing on two key principles: quality and innovation. Every machine that rode out of his small workshop was built with durability and practicality in mind. And as the 1940s progressed, JCB's reputation for quality craftsmanship and practical solutions spread throughout Staffordshire and beyond. The workshop, which was at first just a modest operation, soon began expanding. By the end of the 1940s, the company had established itself as a trusted name in the construction sector, earning a loyal customer base and laying the groundwork for future growth. As JCB moved into the 1950s, the company was ready to take its next big leap. Let's take a look at how JCB slowly but surely expanded as a business. Entering the 1950s, JCB was ready to transform the construction industry. Mr. JCB had a clear vision, which was to create efficient, multifunctional machinery that could change the way people approach construction and agricultural work. And in 1953, this vision became a reality when the company manufactured the JCB backhoe loader, one of the most iconic and game-changing innovations in the construction industry. The JCB backhoe loader was one of the first of its kind in the world, and it combined the capabilities of both an excavator and a loader into one versatile machine. Before 1953, construction work was usually divided among various specialized machines, with each of them performing a single function. Mr. JCB recognized that efficiency would be greatly improved if a single machine could handle multiple tasks. So, by integrating a hydraulic digging arm at the rear and a loading bucket at the front, he created a machine that could dig, lift, and transport materials all in one go. This innovation not only set JCB apart from its competitors, it also changed the expectation of the construction industry, setting a new standard for multi-purpose machinery. The success of the backhoe loader brought JCB into a new era of growth. By the late 1950s, there was an even higher demand for company's machinery, and JCB expanded its manufacturing facilities to be able to keep up. The company invested heavily in research and development, constantly refining its designs and using the latest technology to improve performance and reliability. Joseph Bamford's commitment to innovation and quality was constant, and it showed. By the 1960s, JCB was not only leading in the market in the UK, but also gaining recognition on the international stage. Joseph Bamford saw the importance of taking advantage of the company's reputation and decided it was time to expand beyond British shores. This was how the 1960s also marked the start of JCB's international journey. The company first started exporting its machines to Europe and then moved on to farther markets like India and the United States. It also established partnerships and subsidiaries to support its growing customer base. And because JCB was very committed to quality and innovation, it was very difficult to build a loyal customer base even outside Britain. While trying to expand internationally, JCB didn't just rely on the success of its backhoe loader. It continued to create more products that customers were wowed by and very satisfied with. The company introduced different types of new machines, including wheeled loading shovels, crawler excavators, and agricultural equipment. Each new product was designed with a focus on versatility and durability, making sure that JCB's machinery could be used in a wide range of applications, from urban construction sites to remote agricultural fields. Joseph Bamford's hands-on approach also made sure that the company stayed on the path of success. He remained very involved in every aspect of the business, from product development to manufacturing processes. He had a simple philosophy, which was to build machines that last and never stop improving. The mindset not only inspired his team, but also became a core principle of JCB as it continued growing. In 1970, JCB built its state-of-the-art headquarters in Rochester, Staffordshire. This new facility was a symbol of JCB's evolution from a small workshop to an industry leader with a global reach. The company also expanded its manufacturing capabilities with new factories, and by the end of the 1970s, JCB had become a dominant force in the construction and agricultural machinery sectors. Now that the company had become a globally recognized one, it was time for JCB to focus on growing financially and becoming a billion-dollar company. As JCB entered the 21st century, it had to face a rapidly evolving global landscape with a growing competition and demand for sustainable and advanced machinery. But JCB was prepared, and it conquered these challenges by investing heavily in research and development. Today, JCB generates over $4 billion in annual revenue, making it one of the most successful construction equipment manufacturers in the world. One of the major reasons JCB has been able to grow so big in recent years is its focus on sustainability. With a global push towards reducing carbon emissions, JCB took proactive steps to develop eco-friendly machinery, and in 2019, the company launched its first fully electric excavator, the 19C-1E mini excavator, providing a zero-emission solution for customers. This was followed by the introduction of the world's first hydrogen fuel cell-powered backhoe loader. These innovations are part of JCB's long-term vision to reduce its carbon footprint and lead the construction industry toward a cleaner, greener future. JCB's unique technology is another reason the company is so successful. The integration of advanced technologies such as telematics and automation has allowed JCB machinery to become more intelligent, efficient, and responsive. For example, the company introduced JCB LiveLink, a system that allows operators to monitor their machineries remotely. It also shows the company's commitment to maximize efficiency and reducing downtime for its customers. To support its growth, JCB has continued expanding its international footprint. It has manufacturing facilities in important regions like India, Brazil, and China to cater to the growing demand for its products and tap into emerging markets. These investments have not only boosted production capacity, but also enabled JCB to remain competitive by localizing its manufacturing process to better meet regional needs. The Indian market alone has become a major source of revenue, contributing significantly to JCB's overall success. Today, JCB is under the leadership of Lord Anthony Bamford, Joseph Bamford's son, and it has maintained its status as a family-owned business with a global outlook. The company's ability to adapt to changing times while maintaining its heritage and integrity has been important to its success. And with revenues exceeding $4 billion and a presence in over 150 countries, JCB has been able to thrive in the midst of global challenges such as economic downturns and the COVID-19 pandemic. And that's it. This is the story of how JCB went from being a small workshop in Uttoxeter to becoming a billion-dollar company. If you got inspired by their journey, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button because we have even more inspiring stories for you. Bye for now.